Hello YouTube, welcome back. My name is Leo Sotelo. Welcome to HTS. I was sorry I've been gone for a little bit. I had some tragedy happen, and we all know what that's like. It happens to all of us, but I'm back here, and if this is your first time on my channel, I teach a lot of how-to videos and how to make money online potentially. There's a lot of opportunities out there that we have to do the work for. So I wanted to make this video right here. I wanted to share with you how to turn your Facebook personal page into a business page, because there's a lot of free things you can do with your personal page, and I've been learning this, and so far it's going pretty good. So it gets you noticed more into the business world. So don't just wish for it, rather work for it. So here we go. I want to step into this video. I don't want to take up too much of your time. And if this is your first time here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to get the notifications coming up for this channel, because I'm now that everything in the tragic part has passed, I'm back on here making some more content. I got some more videos I'm gonna be making here soon. So let's get started here. I want to go to Facebook real quick. I want to open this up and get rid of my image on the bottom left. So right here you see Facebook, right? This is my page right here. You go right here, and it brings up this, which this is what I do. This is what for online, and I also do real estate over here. Help solve problems and stuff. So this is what it looks like, right? And it looks okay, but do you see what's missing? There's no call to action. There's none of that. It has my links in here. It kind of looks a little sloppy. So I'm gonna come over here. This is it again right here. Is what you're gonna want to do. You're going to go to your about, because you want your friends. Okay, you got this is your personal page. Just keep that in mind. But you want to, I guess what Facebook allows you to have 5,000 friends on your personal page. So you want to build that up. That's what you want to do. And you want to go down here to contact basic info. Now, right here on your links, I have a link tree right now, and I'm using Linktree, but I could take that off and I could add whatever, my blog. Right now, this Linktree actually is it has some good stuff in there. It has quite a few products that I promote, access to my YouTube channel, etc. Right, my new ebook. But I learned some a better way to do this, because if I'm going to add me a link, let's say I add my I'm selling women's products here. Not just for women, for anybody, right? For anybody who's interested. Maybe somebody wants to buy something for their girlfriend, whatever it may be. So I got this Sugarcoat Your Beauty, and let's say I want to promote that into my personal Facebook page. So I would go over here and I would add a link. Not that link. It would be the Sugarcoat Your Beauty link. I would add that down here. I would just add the products that I'm promoting down here, and I would keep adding a website. I think they allow 3, but I would add my whatever I'm selling. But then before I finalize everything, I hit save and I get everything in there. I'm going to want to go up here to Canva. If you haven't heard of Canva, go in here, and all this stuff is free. I'm pretty sure you heard about it by now. So you go to Canva, and this is what I have come up with. It's not fully done yet, but it's a lot better looking. And I'm going to leave this on the left over here. I could always change it later, but I want to add the books. This is my new book right here. And this book is going to, if you want a copy of this book right here, I want to have the link in the description below. So go ahead and get that copy. And this is another one of my books, which is for the, this is Candy Coated. It's another book that I did for sugarcoatyourbeauty.com. And I haven't launched that website yet, because I was getting ready to launch it just before this pandemic started. And then I kind of, you go to Google Trends and you see what's going on, and people need more help looking for work from home opportunities. So that's why I haven't launched it yet. But this is given when you put a whole, because this is what it's going to do. As you guys know right here already, it's going to put your image right here in the middle. So you want to make sure it's set up to where people could see your your copy on your personal page, also in a mobile device. So you have to run a few tests, but I already know my image is going to pop up right here. I have a call to action, which I might want to move this over here a little bit. I want to move that there, and I can make those I can make these letters bold, so it kind of sticks out a little bit. So let's see, go bold. It's a little fatter right there. I could shrink it up a little bit, but I want to make sure I have a call to action in here, because when I go to all these Facebook groups, and this is what everybody should be doing right now, go to Facebook groups and in yeah, I want to leave this page. Engage with just everybody out there. I mean, some people are looking for work from home opportunities, so I do have there are a few work from home groups, mom and dads. There's so many groups you could get involved with. I mean, I'm going to be jumping into women's fashion, women's just fashion in general, makeup, cosmetics, because I'm going to be promoting this website. So when I promote this website, I'm going to want them to come over here and take action and move from there. So that's what I'm going to be doing on my page, but I'm also going to be promoting certain other opportunities like the best real estate investing education out there, how to make money online. I'm only promoting these two products. This one's for real estate investing. It has all kinds of courses. I will leave the link in the description as well in case you want to check that out, and I will leave just my link tree in there so you could check out a few of these. If you want to get my book, it's right there. My book's going to be in the description, like I mentioned earlier. But I just wanted to kind of show you how you could turn your personal Facebook page into a business page, because when you go to a business page, for example, let me come over here and go to here's my other business page right here for finding houses, right? And you can only do so much with this, and then they want you to start promoting and boost your boost post. Now I heard on another video, which I'm not 100% sure, but I heard a boost post could be a waste of your money, and that's why I turned to this other method, which I had it down pretty good, but when I looked at my first design, it didn't have the call to action here. I'm still working on this welcome, because you want to be welcoming to new people. You know, people coming to they want to see when you're engaging a lot into a group. They want to know who you are, so they want to come to your profile. You got to make sure you have it to where anybody could come check it out. And whether they want to email you, I have my email right here. I'm still messing with this. It's not 100% done yet, because I might shorten some of this right here. I have to leave this because this is what I do besides online marketing. So I have to make sure this right here matches everything, but I want to make sure when I put it into my actual cover right here, I want to make sure all this is going to be gone. I'm taking all this off. I redid some of this, and sometimes it just takes a little bit of just brainstorming. You could put a nice picture of yourself right here. You know, you don't have to do it the way I did. I mean, there's so much you could do with these Or so let me open this up. It's going to open up another browser here, or an internet. But look, I could go to the back of my image here, the background, and I could pick something like this, or fire. I could do anything I want, but you want to make sure it's eye catchy. And if you have books that you're promoting, if you wrote a book or whatever it may be, if you're in the weight loss niche, what they call it, if you're into whatever you're into your business, you're going to want to go to that specific groups and get involved in groups and start. Don't spam in the groups. Just leave some good content, because when you leave some good content, maybe you leave uh, an article you wrote or you found, people will click back on your image to see what you're about. And if they like the product that you're promoting, or they go through your profile, that you leave it open to anybody, just so you could just get to network, you have a good chance on somebody being interested in that product. So you just put up what you're giving away. You got your free books, your freebies. You have you let them know what you do as a marketer, and if you could help solve their problem, whether it be in weight loss, maybe you're doing healthy recipes, keto, fitness, exercise routines, whatever it may be, um, strategies for online entrepreneurship, anything. Whatever it may be, there's somebody out there right now who is struggling with this pandemic going on, and they're not really too much into computers, and that's where you come along and you show them what you could provide for them, and you could kind of hold them by the hand and guide them through the process. So the step-by-step method, and you want to make sure whatever products you're promoting are uh, are good, that they're legit, and you don't want to just promote something that costs you're going to make $400 or something pretty, a good chunk, and it's not really the best product out there, or whatever it may be. There's a lot of good products out there. There's a lot, and there's just so much you can do with your personal profile. I'm changing all this here. I'm going to be changing mine. I've been working on it. I've been testing other ones. I've been getting more traffic to my links and everything like that. So if I could do it, you can do it. I don't want to take up too much of your time. I just kind of want to put it out there what you can do for free. You could use your own personal page as a landing page, and then you just go to groups like this right here, advertise your business in group. You go in here, and you can just click right here. And with Canva too, you can create your own image, your photo, whatever. Put it up here. I'm in this I'm in this group right here as my fan page. I'm going to end up changing that. So, but there are so many strategies you could do on Facebook alone, and you got to take advantage of it, because with COVID out being the way it is right now, I mean, people want to know how they can make money from home, and how they can get noticed out there for the business opportunities that they're promoting. And as we already know, Facebook has how many people on it? Let's just check right here on Similar Web. You got uh, 20, basically at 25 billion monthly visits. So it's really active, and you could get yourself out there. Use your hashtags on everything you're doing. Other people will see it. So I probably took up a lot of your time. I apologize for taking up too much. If you like this video, hit the like button. It'll help the algorithms pick up my content more. And stick around for some more stuff. I got some more stuff that I paid for, or people are paying for, but I learned how to do these strategies without paying anything. So free methods, value free. So have a good day or good night wherever you're at, and thank you for watching my video. Bye.